Ladies and gentlemen, what if one of the most legendary Grand Prix race cars of all time could return not as a museum exhibit, but as a hand-built masterpiece created by skilled craftsmen? Today, we're looking at a breathtaking custom-built recreation of the 1938 Mercedes-Benz W25 Silver Arrow, a tribute to one of the machines that forever changed the history of motorsport. Few racing cars have achieved the mythical status of the Mercedes-Benz Silver Arrows. During the 1930s, Germany dominated Grand Prix racing with Mercedes-Benz and Auto Union, producing technological marvels that seemed decades ahead of their time. Their polished aluminum bodies became known worldwide as the Silver Arrows, a nickname that still represents speed, engineering excellence, and racing dominance. The original W25 debuted in 1934 after Grand Prix regulations limited race cars to a maximum weight of 750 kilograms without fuel, oil, coolant, or tires. Mercedes engineers responded by designing an incredibly lightweight chassis wrapped in thin aluminum bodywork. Legend says the team even stripped away the traditional white paint to save a single kilogram, exposing the bare aluminum underneath. Whether entirely true or not, the polished silver finish became one of the most recognizable identities in motorsport history. Over the following years, the W25 continuously evolved with improved aerodynamics, suspension upgrades, and increasingly powerful supercharged engines. By the late 1930s, these Silver Arrows were capable of speeds that stunned the racing world and remained almost unimaginable for the era. The extraordinary machine featured here is not an original Mercedes factory racer, but an exceptionally well-crafted custom-built model inspired by the legendary 1938 Silver Arrow. Built with remarkable attention to detail, the car faithfully captures the dramatic appearance of the famous Grand Prix machines while incorporating countless handcrafted components. Its flowing aluminum body immediately attracts attention. Every curve, rivet and vent has been carefully shaped to recreate the unmistakable streamlined silhouette that made the Silver Arrow famous. The exposed suspension, wire wheels, long hood, narrow cockpit, and distinctive oval grille all combine to create an authentic period appearance. Unlike many static replicas, this custom-built example was designed as a functioning automobile. The cockpit follows the minimalist philosophy of 1930s racing machines, featuring a classic wooden steering wheel, simple analog gauges, exposed metal construction, and handcrafted aluminum panels. Sitting behind the wheel instantly transports the driver back to the golden age of Grand Prix competition. One of the most fascinating aspects of this recreation is the amount of craftsmanship involved. Unlike modern production vehicles assembled by robots, nearly every visible surface on this car required skilled manual labor. Aluminum panels were individually formed, fitted, drilled, and riveted together, creating a level of artistry rarely seen in today's automotive world. The suspension layout closely mirrors period Grand Prix engineering with exposed mechanical components that proudly display the car's functional beauty. Every linkage, bracket, and mounting point contributes to the industrial elegance that defined pre-war racing machines. Although the original W25 employed a supercharged inline-8 engine producing well over 350 horsepower, and later versions exceeded 430 horsepower depending on specification. This custom-built example may utilize a completely different powertrain depending on the builder's design. Many recreations use modern or more accessible engines to improve reliability while maintaining the authentic appearance. Regardless of the mechanical configuration, the visual experience remains astonishingly faithful to the legendary Silver Arrow. Driving a machine like this is unlike operating any modern sports car. There are no electronic driver aids, no traction control, no stability systems, and no power steering. Every steering input, every throttle movement, and every brake application depends entirely on the driver's skill. It's a mechanical conversation between man and machine that has largely disappeared from contemporary performance cars. Perhaps the greatest achievement of this custom-built Silver Arrow is its ability to preserve history in a living, moving form. Original Mercedes-Benz W25 race cars are among the rarest and most valuable automobiles on Earth, with surviving examples carefully protected by museums and private collections. Very few people will ever have the opportunity to see one in motion, let alone hear its engine at full song. Faithfully constructed recreations like this allow enthusiasts to appreciate the engineering brilliance and timeless beauty of the Silver Arrow without risking irreplaceable historical artifacts. They serve as rolling tributes to one of the greatest eras in motorsport history. Even nearly 90 years after its inspiration first conquered Europe's greatest race circuits, the Mercedes-Benz Silver Arrow continues to captivate audiences with its elegance, innovation, and unmistakable presence. This remarkable custom-built model proves that true automotive legends never grow old. They simply find new ways to inspire future generations of enthusiasts. Whether displayed at classic car events, demonstrated on historic race circuits, or admired inside a private collection, this 1938 Mercedes-Benz W25 Silver Arrow custom-built model stands as a stunning celebration of one of the greatest racing machines ever created. It reminds us that the spirit of pre-war Grand Prix racing still lives on through passionate craftsmen determined to keep automotive history alive. The story behind the Silver Arrow legend is every bit as remarkable as the car itself. During the 1930s, Grand Prix racing wasn't simply about winning trophies. It became a global showcase of engineering excellence. Mercedes-Benz invested enormous resources into developing machines that pushed every technological boundary of the era. Lightweight construction, advanced metallurgy, aerodynamic experimentation, and powerful forced induction engines all combined to create cars that seemed almost futuristic. One of the defining features of the W25 was its obsessive focus on weight reduction. Engineers searched for every possible gram that could be eliminated without sacrificing structural strength. Thin aluminum body panels were hand-formed over a tubular chassis, while every component was designed to balance durability with the lightest possible construction. This philosophy became a blueprint for generations of racing cars that followed. Aerodynamics also played an increasingly important role. While many racing cars of the period featured exposed mechanical components and upright bodies, the Silver Arrow adopted flowing curves that reduced drag and improved stability at high speeds. Looking at the custom-built recreation today, it's easy to appreciate just how advanced the design was. Even by modern standards, the streamlined nose, enclosed bodywork, and elegant proportions remain visually striking. Inside the cockpit, simplicity ruled. Drivers sat low within the narrow body, surrounded by exposed aluminum, mechanical linkages, and only the essential instruments required for competition. Large analog gauges monitored engine speed, oil pressure, and water temperature, while the oversized wooden steering wheel provided maximum leverage through fast corners. There were no seat belts in the earliest years, no protective roll cages, and certainly no digital displays, only raw mechanical performance and extraordinary courage.